Hey, quick little video here. So this is a 98. For some reason, I thought that I had seen somewhere that the last generation had OBD plugs. I figured it would be right here in this dash somewhere, and I'm not finding anything. So this I do know, I don't know how to work it, is the control for the front fog lights. Apparently there's strobes, there's different effects. So that's what that plug there is. I'm not sure how that works. I'm guessing that this has to do with the alarm system. It's like a toggle switch here. This looks to be a push button switch. I have no clue what those are. And then you'll see back here I have some kind of weird fuse box in there. It goes up into this spool of wires, which I have no clue. But anyways, I'm curious if anybody can give me insight as to find out what this check engine light is, because I don't find an OBD connector. I was willing to go buy one if I had to, hopefully rent one that I could, just take right back and get the rental deposit back for from the auto parts stores. But anyways, if anyone can chime in, I'd greatly appreciate it. I want to find out what this check engine light is. Maybe something really simple.